Hello there. This is Owen O'Leary welcoming you to the Tuition Centre. I'd like to say thanks to all the students who have signed up for the 2022 Leaving Cert Higher Level Maths Pre. You'll be joining over 5,000 students who have sat our pre's in the last number of years. Initially, this was a face-to-face initiative, but over the last 3 years, we've been doing this online. The rationale for doing this second pre in the month of April is that we know students find it very difficult to sit a higher level maths paper in the month of January or early February, because more often than not, they'll have large sections of the course left to do. And the fact that the topics overlap in the exam make it very difficult to perform well in that first pre. So let me run through the exam and how you're to do the exam and how you're to correct the exam. There'll be a unique feature, which I'll show you in a moment. But starting on April the 2nd, students will be able to sit paper 1, and we'll show you how you can correct the exam yourself. And students and their teachers and even their parents have told us how valuable an experience this has been for the students, because they can see themselves where they're losing the marks and they learn how to improve their performance for the real exam. So each paper will be 2.5 hours. That's the norm from previous years. But what's different is it will be 220 marks compared to a normal 300 marks in previous years. There are 10 questions. From the 10 questions, in section A, the short questions known as concepts and skills, there are 6 short questions, but you can see that you must just answer 4. So each of the short questions is worth 30 marks. In the longer questions, which is section B, the context and applications, there are 4 questions, but in this you must just answer any 2. So each one is worth 50 marks. But it's important to note that if you answer more than the required number of questions, you will be awarded the highest marks. So basically, it's your best 4 short questions, it's your best 2 long questions. So I want to show you the unique feature we have in this year's exam, which will help you very much so in the correcting of the exam, to correct it yourself, and also then to learn from your errors and to understand the questions and the answers much better. So at the bottom of each page and each question, you will see these QR codes. So the ones here are just samples, but once you finish question 1, at the bottom of question 1, you will see a QR code, which is for the marking scheme, and another QR code, which is for the video. So what students do is simply scan with your phone the marking scheme at the bottom of question 1, and up will pop onto the screen just the marking scheme for just that question. If you want to watch the video solution explaining it step by step, you scan the video solution and you will see how to do it. So the video solutions have the dual benefit of obviously explaining more clearly, perhaps, how many marks you're to get based on the work you've done, but also for the parts students get stuck on, you will understand that much better after watching the video. So you'll learn how to correct it, but you'll also learn, where you were losing the marks and how you can improve for the real exam. So on that note, I wish you the best of luck. In our tuition centre pre's, you can sit them on the day, but you can sit them afterwards if the actual date doesn't suit you. And of course, we're wishing the best of luck for this pre, but really, we're wishing you the best of luck for the exams when they roll around in June. I will hope to see you between now and then at the tuition centre for any help you require with maths and the rest of the subjects that we offer. So on that note, I'll say good luck to you again, and we'll see you soon.